Today I want to talk about two different molecules. One of them is Rhodamine B and the other is fluorescent sodium salt. And Rhodamine B has a pink color, and this is just a water solution of the Rhodamine B, and the concentration is approximately 2 times 10 to minus 5 molars. And this is the fluorescent sodium salt, and its concentration about 10 to minus 3 molar. So its concentration is a little bit higher, but the concentration is not very important. So as you know, we have phosphorescence and photoluminescence process, and these two dyes is very fluorescent molecules. So when I shine the UV light, their color will change, and if I turn off the light, their color become again the same. And I want to show that. So I have a UV light here, and so you can see the UV light. If I shine the light on the fluorescent sodium salt, it becomes green. As you see, it's very beautiful. And Rhodamine B becomes orange. But if I turn off the light, it becomes instantly pink color. So I think this was very interesting. I wanted to show that. And if you understand more, you can check the description part to see the other video.